welcome back, guys. We are at Cedarville Falls today. I'm here with Jen and Evan. We are about to get on some fish in this River Canyon Gorge, the site of Jen's PB. We're looking to break another PB. Let's see if we can do it. Jen, there's lots of minnows in here, so there's got to be big fish. No? There we go. There it is. Yeah! Wow. What a big smallie. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, I might. That's a nice smallmouth. Look at him. Yeah, let's get a little weight on him. 174. Nicely done. A little 1 3/4 smallmouth to start off the day. That didn't take long for us to get a nice bite here at the waterfall. Man, what a better place to catch a fish too. Let's let him go. All right, buddy. All right, so what are you fishing with, Jen? You got the Vic Coomer curly-tailed shad.
Yep.
On a little, what is that? Probably an 1/8 ounce, 1/4 ounce jig head.
Yeah.
I think that'll work.
Heavier.
I caught mine. It is the Bitsy Bug on a Yum Pulse paddle tail.
Juicy.
Juicy. Fish it up. Nice.
Yeah.
There's a big guy in there, I know it. Whip him.
He's feisty.
Good job. No skunk. No skunks, these punks.
Fish bump.
I don't know if you brought any tiny cranks or little tiny spinners, but I'm staring at about 20 right now.
I mean, I have this little tiny grub. I have smaller grubs. Where's him? You can see him here?
Yeah, look at them all. Look, 1, 2, 3,
wow.
4.
Think I'll take a little nib of this?
It might be a little big for a bluegill. Evan, try to get into that shade line over there by you. Cross over by that rock.
Where?
Gar. Those are so hard to catch too. You gonna try? Where at? Point.
Oh, I see it.
Oh my gosh, he's a beef.
Yeah, I mean, I want to, but...
Well, just the lone smallmouth for me today. Jen caught a smallmouth, another little panfish, and Evan caught himself a rock bass. Not too bad a day. It was a fun little canyon trip. This place is always beautiful to check out. yeah, hopefully we'll come back here soon, because this place is usually fire for a lot of smallmouth. It just rained yesterday. It may not be the best day for fishing, but we had a good time, and we'll see you guys on the next fishing mission.